Are you ready? Get knowledge from Technology in Front YouTube channel. Today is a rope ladder. Keep watching. As you see from your screen, you have a structure with horizontal and vertical dimensions and an installed rope ladder. You can see. And here you have a mason working using that rope ladder. Do you know what is rope ladder? Can you use? Can you fabricate? Please watch the video, you will know all. This is a 1/2-inch twisted nylon and polyester rope. It is desirable rope material due to its strength and durability. I recommend you to use this rope type for your safe rope ladder fabrication. While using this type of rope, you will also apply knots. You apply knots to use as stopper. To use as stopper of your steps. Your steps will need stopper, so this knot will be as stopper. Figure 8 knot is an example given. So you see it is the shape of number 8. And we need hook. You see yellow hooks. You see on this this pre-made ladder has rope, has timber, has hooks. You see has knot, has connectors. This is how I want you to make a rope ladder. You've seen how you will do. Okay, let's start our installation work. We are going to install our rope ladder. We already fabricate, we already know all materials, so let us install. Now you see, this guy is installing our rope ladder. You see has a yellow hook. Yellow hook are being tightened on anchor bar. Anchor bar is already into the concrete, so this anchored bar are going to hold upward our rope ladder. So cause our movement, when we are moving from down to up, our weight are pushing downward our ladder. But our anchor bar are holding upward opposite of our movement, so that we will not be dropped down. No accident of falling it down, cause our anchor bar are holding upward our weight, so that our movement will push downward, but anchor hold upward. You will see all. You will see all there. Yeah, keep watching. You will see all about this connection. And also you see, our first installed rope ladder was short, not reach the end of our structure. So by now he is tightening the additional rope ladder up to the end of our structure. You will see all. Up to the end of our structure, our rope ladder will reach and help our movement. You see the type of knot they are using. Yeah, he's tightening our rope to the first one, so that our ladder will reach up to where we want. Keep watching. This is a good knot to tighten. Yeah, knot to avoid any release, any opening. He's doing a knot safely to avoid any accident from this ladder. Yeah, ladder will help our work. Ladder will help our work, but also it is dangerous. Once it is not well done, once it is not well fabricated, if it is not made from good materials, good timbers, good rope, well knot, good anchor with good anchor bar, with good hooks. Please pay attention of this fabrication, cause we can get a big accident from this ladder. So fabricate very well, install very well, use good materials, so that we make sure we will be safe. We will get progress, but with a safe life, in a safe manner, in a safe system. Yeah. Do you remember all we have talked about construction set surface? Yeah, by using this rope ladder, also remember that, and always be with PPEs. Yeah, you must have PPE while using this rope ladder, cause also it is one of construction activity. It is the one you will use in construction activity, and also be sure you are safe in your construction site. Yeah, you see they have already installed, they are prepared. Normally they are straightening. You see this normally our installation done. Now you are looking all how can it be done. Keep watching. You will see how even a harness surface belt is useful. You see this mason, he is cleaning the concrete by sandpaper, but also you see he has a harness, he has surface belt. You see he has tightened well. Thank you. Now you got all from that rope ladder. Thank you. Watch this video. Please subscribe, like and share.